Gũkũ nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. Jeremiah Kioni ena serious allegations igũrũ wa Rigathi wa Gachagua. Remember, hĩndĩ Jeremiah Kioni ekwaria, ĩno nĩ Jubilee yarĩtie, tondũ Jeremiah Kioni nĩ SG kana Secretary General wa kĩama kĩa Jubilee. Allegations iria enacio nĩ ici. Arauga atĩrĩrĩ hĩndĩ ekwaragia na radio ĩmwe Spice FM atĩ mũndũ ti Rigathi wa Gachagua atĩ nĩararutithania wĩra secretary na Ruto. Guys, do you believe it? No, kwĩna thĩna. Nĩkĩ Jeremiah Kioni ararehe allegations ici? Because they know they have lost it. Jubilee have lost it. They know Hingo Matiang'i arajoina Jubilee au anatatengwo nĩ United Opposition, hena thĩna. Nĩkĩo rĩu marageria gũframe Rigathi wa Gachagua atĩ nĩarutithania wĩra na Ruto ĩgetha andũ mathi mwena wa Jubilee. Now, video ndamwĩkĩra oro rĩu. Mũndũ ũrĩa ũkũragia interview oria Kioni atĩrĩrĩ, wĩna evidence ya ũhoro ũcio? Kioni ndenda gũcokia hau. Na Kioni araclaim atĩrĩrĩ, mĩeri ĩno yarĩirio hingo no kũrabangwo by elections gũkũ mwena wa Maathai-inĩ, atĩ thĩinĩ wa rumu ĩmwe ĩrĩa marĩ kwarĩ na andũ 15, nĩ kwarĩ na pastor erĩ, na atĩ mũndũ ũmwe ũrĩa arĩ thĩinĩ wa rumu ĩyo nĩ arokire arahe Jeremiah Kioni ũhoro ũyũ. Guys, the fact is, thaa ici Rigathi wa Gachagua angiuga atĩ ekũthiĩ mwena wa Ruto, thaa ici angĩthiĩ nyiki. Agĩkoma na mũsupport tondũ nĩ fight Ruto. No angiuga nĩ gũthiĩ mwena wa Ruto, egũthiĩ nyiki. In fact, even Kalonzo angiuga nĩ gũthiĩ mwena wa Ruto, megũthiĩ me nyiki. Do you think no metĩkĩre kujoin Ruto? No mamenya nĩ lose ground. Unajua vile watu nasema kwa ground. So do you think no metĩkĩre lose ground? Do you think Rigathi wa Gachagua na maũndũ marĩa ekirwo nĩ Ruto no akĩrutithania wĩra nake? Eno video na subscribe na channel yake kwa podcast na kwa ndorera video na mona YouTube atkolera mona TikTok atkolera mona Facebook na mona yetekene muno mwige thini wa YouTube na mutike ago subscribe. Eno video ya mundu wetwa Jeremiah Kioni. Ladies and gentlemen,
and let me now tell you, and I can tell you, you can take me to court on this, and I give you the date. When the DCP was dealing with the candidature of one Dr. Joshua, who is now running to become the MCA for Narok Township, and they decided to deny him a ticket and give it to a person whom we will find out who he is. This is what he told them late in the evening while they were seated in his office, 15 of them. In that room, there were more than 2 pastors. And this statement was told to me by them, including the pastors. Gachagua told them that William Ruto has already sent emissaries to him. And wamekubaliana, panga pande yako na mimi ni pange watu yangu. Sanya watu yako na mimi ni sanya watu yangu. Tutakuja tukae kwa meza. And he was saying, by that time I'll have the 7 million votes from the Mountain Legion. I'll have the 1 million vote from Kalonzo. And I'll have another 800,000 votes from Matiang'i. Matiang'i atakuwa amekaa huko Bali. Sasa mimi nitakuwa na zaidi ya nusu ya keki. Na nitagawa. Na nyi wa Masai nitawagawia kitu yenyu. Kwa hivyo wewe Joshua, hapana lia hapa ya kwamba hupati hii tikiti. Tulia, we will nominate you when that time comes. Those were the words of Rigathi as reported to me.
Do you have evidence for this?
As reported to me. I have no reason to doubt it. So when you are dealing about these things, wacha si to pebe hiyo mnaita red wheelbarrow.
So you're saying Gachagua and Ruto are working together?
He said it himself. And I'll give you the date and I'll give you the hour.
When was it?
I'll give you...
Guys, Oshio ne Jeremiah Kioni. From my point of view, Mashio ne maheni. You see what's going on? As we speak, maramenya hegora mara brando ate red wheelbarrow they know they have lost it no a carrier opposite ya uria kuri thaici. The fact is nende mwirite uhoro maita maiki the moment ate Jubilee yukite ndiri mwena wa opposition ndiri mwena wa thirikari rume hau gatagati-ini uhoro uyu nyumaritwaire na njira imwe nene muno. Ungithikiria interview ino yothe tondu ndi mithikiria ladies and gentlemen interview ino ya mundu ugwitwo Njira Makioni hena handu augite atiriri na ungithi no muthikiria wigue uri augite ati thiini kana makinya meta United Opposition Matiang'i ni eritwo atiriri ni aruna ake a United Opposition ati ndakaingire Jubilee na makimwira atiriri thii onokorwo ni kuria mwena wa Githii uke na kiama giaku utigane na Jubilee. And of course from my point of view if Matiang'i ni afuatire uria aruna ake mamwiraga a Kalonzo na aya ake it could be better neki athi a consolidate mwena wa gwake. Kalonzo ena Wiper no uri wameruta guku ikamba-ini. Raila ni akorwo na ODM no uri waruta ODM kuria Nyanza. Ruto ena UDA no urutete UDA guku mwena wa Rift Valley. So it was good idea. Remember Matiang'i thaici e Jubilee but leader wa Jubilee ni mundu wa kuma Mount Kenya region na Matiang'i ni wa kuria Nyanza mwena wa Githii Nyamira na kuguo. Now the big question is Matiang'i abia kwendia kiama giki. They say Jubilee is a national party. Matiang'i akobieko the moment abia guka guku Mount Kenya iyo ni haro ekumira. You see the only thing kana undu uria ino United Opposition yekaga makira Matiang'i oke na kiama ya kuma kuria west kuria kwa Nyanza kana kuria Githii ni gutigakorwo na fight thiini wa United Opposition. That's what they were avoiding. Gutigakorwo na bara thiini wa United Opposition. No riu the moment aigira Jubilee no yambia kuhura Rigathi wa Gachagua uguo Kioni ambia kuhura Gachagua then kutakuwa na vita ndani ya Mount Kenya region. Na wewe unataka kujoin opposition, wewe uko ndani ya opposition no ndo amwe nao mahura opposition ino. How? Nekio kila mundu ena region yake. Oka natembea ekoria mwena wa western noko mundu gwetwo Juna Wamalwa aliokwo na kiama kiao kia DAP. Ni DAP I think so kinaitwa DAP. Mundu gwetwo Kalonzo United Opposition mwena wake koko ikamba-ini Mount Kenya region ona kwina muturi amathakarua Gachagua ni arauga ino Jubilee yoka mundu wa Githii kana Nyanza oke abie kuhura Matiang'i Matiang'i kuma Nyanza oke abie kuhura Rigathi wa Gachagua then itakuwa vita. So I think that's the reason why mageragia kwira Matiang'i thii uke na kiama ya kuma kuria Nyanza ya kuma kuria Githii igetha kila mundu oganie kana kila mundu a consolidate region yake ithuothe tugoka metha-ini. But the moment ati yauma kana kuria oka Mount Kenya abie ninge kura Rigathi wa Gachagua Mount Kenya highways make and Jubilee has panicked by the way because they have seen that their candidate is losing popularity. Matiang'i will lose popularity very soon because of blunder area gerarigereirie. In fact agirobire kiama kia kuria Nyanza Jubilee yoke thiini wa kiama kiu ingekuwa hivyo Jubilee ndani ya hiyo chama kama amekuja na chama. But now Matiang'i ili he go to niambia kuhura mena yothe ekora nako just because of mistake. I think uguo mundu gwetwo Kioni augire angiathikiririe oke na kiama kia kuria gutingie na haro ici ciothe no tondu ndanathikiriria nikio kwena haro ici ciothe. But anyway it is what it is. Mwani manyu mraiko inyuĩ mũrona atĩa. Thengiũ gwa matĩro mathime guys kwani iko nini. Thengiũ gwa matĩro amrathime kone Gwiko podcast.